Big Skinny here with Big Skinny's Texas Backyard Barbecue and more. Today we're going to make one of my all-time favorite comfort foods. As a child, we would often get TV dinners, and one of my favorites was Salisbury steak. Today we're going to show you how to make it with a Dutch oven. We're going to be cooking it outside over live coals, and it's all coming your way next, so stick around. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our charcoal ready to go. We're going to let it go till it gets white, and then we're going to stack it up underneath the Dutch oven, and we're going to show you how to make the gravy for the Salisbury steak. So let me show you what we're going to need to make our gravy. We got some onions and garlic diced up ready to go. We got some cornstarch. We've got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. We've got some beef broth. We've got a special blend of spices that I've made up with salt, pepper, garlic, smoked paprika, a little onion powder, and then we've got our fresh mushrooms. As soon as we get our pot ready to go, we will get all the ingredients added to it.